Welcome to Mommy Girl Cars, and as promised, today we are going to show you the engine running of a Honda Accord, the Honda Accord. So we're going to start off, Johnson. We're going to start off with the engine starting up now, to let you have an idea of. As you can hear, the engine has started off, and you can see engine is running smoothly. It's a very clean engine, and it sounds like it's in really good shape. This is the Honda Accord with leather seats. What we'll do now is go around to the back and have a look at the exhaust. And as you can see, exhaust is clear, running smoothly. Ask him to come out. Ask him to come out. Now we're going to check and have a look inside the car to see if there are any issues with any check engine lights or anything like that. We'll have a look at the marriage, and as you can see, although we're running out of petrol here, the car is in reasonably good shape. We shall put on the air conditioning. It looks like you've got to enter a code, and let's put it on auto. Engine air conditioning has come on. Taking up, and I can assure you it is working. It's reasonably cool. You should go back and see what the engine looks like with the engine on load. AC on, engine kicking. As you can see, with the AC on, have a reasonably smooth engine running. That's it, the engine running. Our next video will be the engine diagnostics on this Honda Accord. Thank you.